Hello guys, come with me camping by default. I'm gonna do just a one weekend, one night stay there. Yeah, so let's go camping during the rain and let's see on how everything plays out. Yes, so we have arrived by default. So yeah, let's go guys and let's go and set up the tent, fire, everything on time before the rain catches us, eh? As I'm busy taking out the wood, I'm so stressed on how are we gonna make the fire and how are we gonna do the camp setup and what's or not. So that's what's stressing me at this current moment. But yeah, we'll manage. Let's see on how do we do everything here. So yeah, we've started with the camp setup. As you can see, it's raining. The tent is wet as well. The fire, prepping that as well, just to make sure that I make it on time before it's done and before it really starts raining. So our fire is there, and unfortunately, it started raining. The rain has stopped, so I'm chilling outside just to finalize everything and make sure that I do everything on time and not forgetting to reward myself with a nice glass of wine there. So yeah, it's chilly, but obviously it's another rain and I'm enjoying every second of it. So yeah. Yeah, I could not even cook pap or anything like that. So I used to enjoy some rolls. Yeah, camping on the rain is tough, eh? So these are the toilets where men and women can use. Obviously separated, as you can see. Women and men this side. And then if you want to wash your things like the plates and so on, you can also use this section. There's a note management there. I'll just take you through the men's toilet. Obviously there's a dustbin. Throw up some things that you don't need to flush down the drain. Hot water is here. The shower is here as well. Those that are not good with basins, but there's with the bathtub. So yeah, basically everything is here. Looks so clean. They do provide toilet papers, but I'll advise you always come with yours, just for in case. And there's a very nice message in there. Yeah, obviously this is the table that you're gonna use, the beds that you're gonna use while changing and all that. So yeah, it's a very good, nice place. So yeah, this is a very good, nice place. I've enjoyed last night. Yeah, it was more chilly as it was raining throughout the night up until, so the rain stopped around, I think 7, between 7 and 8. I can't really recall. But yeah, it was a nice experience. I'm actually passing on one of the camp spots, so I like this camp spot.